Have you had persistent cough for more than 3 weeks? Is there blood in your sputum? Sometimes. Do you have increased temperature, night sweats, unexplained weight loss? It could be tuberculosis. Remember that tuberculosis is not a death sentence. What you should do is to go to the hospital and run a check. Tuberculosis is a treatable bacterial infection and it is better when it is diagnosed early. Thank you.